How many of us look for solutions on positive parenting? Okay, so here let's get into a next level today. So today we'll discuss on practical parenting. Okay, so when we talk about practical parenting, it means the parents need to be practical. Okay, so what do we mean by that? First is understanding and giving a right answer for the questions your child has asked. Okay, so just don't make it very flowery, give them a practical that these are the challenges, these are the stepping stones, these are the failures that I too faced in my life or while I was studying. So it's not a big problem in your life as well. We can sort it out together. That is what. Okay. So I've been always emphasizing that in all my videos. I always emphasize that kids, Gen Z children are way smarter and brighter and mature than the parents, and definitely they should be, right? So, and the only one thing that we carry is experience. So if you pass on that experience, being a practical parent, your relationship with your child will have a great impact. Okay, so be practical in terms of understanding that when they learn it, how they can do it. This is the way. If you also want to adapt it, be adaptable parents. If you feel like the things that did not work for you can work with them right now, start exploring, experimenting yourself. Sometimes, like, if you feel like you have to get into and study that subject, get into that. You will also get some knowledge. So whatever it is, be adaptable, be flexible in any kind. Don't just dump whatever you have done it or what kind of experience you had it. No, my dear parents. Every day is a new day. All right, every day is a new day. So make effective use of it. If you have something to share, share whatever it is, and be a practical person, be realistic, be authentic. Okay, so when you tell that, okay, yeah, it happens, my dear, it happens, we'll sort. When you both come as a team, you will have a beautiful relationship. Okay, so that will create bonding with your child, and he will have that one factor, that is trust with you. Okay, and that confidence that my father, my mother is something different. They are not like others. They are being so practical and yet so friendly and yet so mine. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Stay happy as always and be blessed. Thank you.